So, you're the new addition to the Brotherhood. Well, I'm Seth, just Seth. From God to Cain to Seth. I am his right hand, and I have a task for you. This is Nakumba, and he is causing the Brotherhood much grief. His views do not coincide with ours, and that makes him dangerous. Silence him.
We are going to have to act.
Yes, sir.
Reinforcements have arrived.
Acknowledge. Moving out. Acknowledge. Moving out.
Reinforcements have
Affirmative.
arrived.
Moving out. Affirmative. Moving out. Affirmative.
Unit lost.
Acknowledge. Affirmative. You got it. Affirmative. You got it. Yes. Affirmative. Moving out. Yes. Affirmative. 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 Yes. Affirmative. You got it. Warning.
Unit lost. Unit
Waiting.
lost.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Moving out. Not a problem. Right away, sir. Yes, sir.
Unit lost.
Yes, sir. Right away, sir. Right away, sir. Moving out. Moving out. Waiting. Right away, sir. Affirmative. You got it. Affirmative. Ready and waiting. Not a problem. Reporting. Yes, sir. Affirmative. Right away, sir. Acknowledge. Right. You got it. Right away, sir. Moving out. Affirmative. You got it. You got it. Moving out. Moving out. Affirmative. Moving out. Moving out. Right. Yes. Affirmative. You got it. You got it. Right. Affirmative. Yes.
Mission accomplished.
Back so soon? Let's see how you do with something important. For too many years, GDI forces have maintained a stranglehold on Egypt. It's fallen upon us to liberate these citizens crying out for a better way of life. Cain wants to establish a base here to eliminate the smothering presence of GDI. It's too risky to move our heavy forces in, so we want you to sneak in with a few expendable troops and set up a forward attack post. By the way, there's more than enough Tiberium for you to harvest. That should easily pay your expenses. If you are detected, you fail. If you fail, you die.